Hey guys, what is up? It is Tristan here, and today I'll be showing you how to download free ringtones, notification sounds, live wallpapers, which means moving wallpapers, and wallpapers. So first of all, you want to go into the Play Store, and then you just want to type in Zedge. Now it will be the first one. Just click download. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it again. But once you've downloaded the app, it will load like this. And then it is pretty simple. You select what you want. If you want a wallpaper, you select a wallpaper. If you want a moving wallpaper, you choose one of these. But for this one, for today's episode, I'm going to download a notification sound. No, a wallpaper, sorry. So you just click a wallpaper. Download this one. Then you click this little arrow here. Wait for it to load. You click set. Wallpaper updated. Go to your home screen, and there it is. And of course, if you want to change your lock screen wallpaper, you've just got to go to My Device, Display, Wallpaper, and then choose your wallpaper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed my last video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this new video that I made, and I'll see you guys when I make my new video. Peace out.